Okay, good afternoon, Sir Cahyono. Today, I want to presentation my mid exam. My name is Tengku Raafi Abdulrahman, and I made a self-employed service to help employee to request days off, sick leave, and others. And today, I have this login page, which is uh, to use employee to use login, and there is two role for this login. Direksi, which mean director, and the second one is staff or pekerja. So they will have different dashboard. First of all, let's see if staff. We input the name and the password, and as we log in, and we get into the dashboard for the staff. There's a menu of pengajuan cuti to request days off and unggah surat sakit or uploading sick leave, and there is a list of days off or daftar cuti tahunan. So the first, if the employee want to ask about the days off, the staff should click this menu, and now it's already get the name from the database. So there's already a name, which in the example is named the Rafi, and alasan cuti or the reason. Let's say we say vacation, and we put the date today, and we submit. And as it's loading, cuti berhasil diajukan or succeed. And now we can go to the home. There is a home button in here and a logout, but I think my cam is covered. And as we go home, we can see the daftar cuti tahunan of the list day off, and there is a vacation. So the status is pending, which is our request just send it to the direction, the director or direction. So for now, we get home again, and let's say the employee is sick and they need to upload their sick leave from the doctor. First, let's say the staff or the employee will click the unggah surat sakit menu, and they will choose the file to they want to upload. And for example, there is I have this example upload, and we upload it, and it uploaded to the list on the director. Now we log out. There is a logout button behind my cam, and as a logout, we log in as admin, or let's say as director. And now we have different dashboard for the director. There is a daftar cuti karyawan or employee that employee that days off, and there is a list who have day sick leave uploaded. The first, let's say daftar cuti karyawan or the list of request days off, and there is my name, the Rafi, which is the one we request, and the alasan cuti or the reason vacation, and we can accept it or we can reject it. Is depend on the director's opinion. Let's say we accept this. Okay, now cuti disetujui or the list of is approved, and this is gone because it's not a request anymore. And we go again to home. Now, since the employee uploaded a sick leave, then we can see it in here. And there you go, there is an upload ID, there is a nick or the employee's ID, employee's name, and we can download it. And you can see this is the example file, which is for the employee to upload their sick leave from the doctor. So we can see their upload their sick leave without the hard copy. And now we can log out again, and we log in as staff again, and we can see in here is our list and the status is approved, which means the director approve our days off and we can not work in the day that we request. And that for my mid exam. And now I want to presentation about the project. For the front end, I use basic HTML and some JavaScript jQuery for the connection between my back and my front end because I use different backend, so I'm not using PHP for the backend. And there is a URL, which means this project front end and backend is communication through REST API. So their communication using an endpoint. Basically, the front end can be anything, can be Android, can be iPhone, as long they use the URL that we have. And for the backend, here I'm using Java Spring Boot as a framework using a Java language, and there is called an REST API. So there is a controller. Controller is a function that control the URL that we're gonna post with all the parameters that we need, and there is a service or a logic to save to database. And here I have the database, and if you can see, there is duty, there is that one we request, the vacation one. So the employees is already saved to database. Same again as surat cuti or sick leave. This is the file path of the the file that we save. So for example, this is my document, and if we can see in the document, and there is a surat, then it's saved. So when the employee upload their notes or their sick leave from the doctor, it save the file, so it's not gonna be in trash and or it's gonna be gone as long as it's not get deleted from the server. And that's it for my mid exam. I hope uh, this project is good. Thank you, Mr. Cahyono. Good afternoon.